Stop. Before you skip this, answer one question. Have you ever avoided creatine because someone told you it destroys your kidneys? Yeah, that's what I thought. You got lied to. And today I'm gonna prove it. Here's how this lie started. Doctors test kidney health using something called creatinine levels in your blood. When you take creatine, those levels go up slightly. When people got blood tests done, doctors panicked. Your kidneys look stressed. And that was it. The rumor spread, gym to gym, comment to comment. Nobody checked if it was actually dangerous. They just ran with the fear. But here's what nobody told you. Elevated creatinine from creatine supplementation is completely harmless. It's like your body temperature going up slightly after exercise. It looks alarming on paper, but it means nothing bad is happening. Every major study on healthy individuals, and there are hundreds of them, shows zero kidney damage. Zero. The lie survived not because it was true. It survived because nobody questioned it. And while you were avoiding it, this is what was actually happening. Every heavy set you did, your energy was dying at rep 8. Creatine would have taken you to rep 11. Those 3 extra reps. Every set. Every session. Every week. That's not a small difference. That's the difference between a plateau and actual progress. The lie didn't just scare you. It literally stole your gains to 5 grams of creatine monohydrate daily. That's all it takes to get those gains back. And if you want to know what other lies the fitness industry has been feeding you, subscribe. Because we're just getting started.